Okay, I'm open to any feedback, criticism, tips, whatever you got. So this is 1/8 inch flux core, wire speed's 220, amperage is at 18, and inductance is at like 7.5. Body position, anything, I'm open to feedback because I am a novice. Here I'm just trying to get comfortable. Last time I was standing, this time I'm trying sitting down just to be a little more stable. And you can see it's a little awkward with my position of my arms. I'm trying to keep the wand kind of up vertical, as that's how I thought you're supposed to do it, and then you tip it, you know, what, like 15-degree angle or so. But yeah, please offer some suggestions, whatever you got. And on this weld, you can kind of hear some of the fluctuation in the frying bacon sound, where it kind of has some variation in it. I think I was getting my tip too far away from my material, so I need to concentrate on that a little bit better. It still sounds like a lot of sputtering to me, not consistent frying bacon. So, any tips? Okay, increase the wire speed to 240. Let's see what that does. On this next attempt here, you'll see that, yeah, my body positioning is still really awkward, trying to find out what is comfortable for me, you know, getting my arm up on the bench or down below the bench. I don't know, I still need to practice that. But yeah, I'll give you some tips. And part way through this weld, you'll notice that I start to get that sputtering again. I don't know, what do you guys think of the higher wire speed? I do notice that part way through, I get my tip too far away from the material again. So I get that sputtering, but I correct it. So, hey, I'm learning. At one point I was getting the tip too far away. I think that's when I was getting more of the variation, more of the popping. And then I got a little closer. Let's look at it. So that was wire speed 220, 240. I think the 220 looks better. I think I was getting my tip too far away on the 240 though as well. But I'm totally open to tips and criticism, tricks, things you guys do. Let me know. Thank you guys.